Hey, welcome back. Thanks for being here. I am on my way to the post office to drop something off for my wife. She is not feeling well, and so I'm making a post office run for her because as a couple, that's what you do. As a couple who can depend on each other, who could be there for each other, who can help each other, that's what you do. You don't do it for brownie points. You don't do it to give, to get. You don't do it to get a gold star or to please her. You do it because it's the person that you are, the man that you are. You do it because you love her and you want to care for her. Caring for her demonstrates her value to her. It's the demonstration, it's the action behind the words. Now, I'm not talking about she's not valuable if you don't go to the post office. Her value isn't dependent on you. What I'm talking about is our words, our actions need to match our words. So we can say, I love you, I care for you, I appreciate you. But then we need to back that up with some actions. And for my wife, her love language is acts of service, which means that if I do something that is out of the norm, not something that I was already going to do anyway, like pay the bills or, buy groceries or something like that, then that's an act of service. It's something that is meaningful to her. And when we act out our values, when I say I'm a loving man and I love this person, and then I act out those values, I strengthen my sense of self. I strengthen my understanding of who I am and how I show up in my life and how I care for myself and how I care for others. And I also simultaneously demonstrate the value that I express verbally. I demonstrate that value to my spouse, and that helps to reinforce our bond, our connection, our trust. It builds trust in our relationship because she knows that I'm not just here for what I can get from her. I'm not just here with conditional love, that I only approve of her when she's healthy or when she can give me something that I want. I actually love her even when she's down, when she's sick, when she can't go to the post office on her own. Now, she can go to the post office, but that would be me just sort of ignoring the fact that she doesn't feel well, that she needs some rest, that I'm perfectly capable and happy to go to the post office for her without any strings attached, without any needing anything in return, and just being the person that I want to be: kind, considerate, loving, collaborative, helpful, compassionate, empathetic. All those words, right? All of these positive words. And if those are my values, if that's what's important to me, then I reinforce, I strengthen, I increase my sense of self, and simultaneously increase the trust, the connection, the bond in my relationship. So that's what I have for you today. I didn't actually intend to record any of this. It's totally unscripted. It is genuine and real. It is actually a part of my life and how I am living my life, and I have been operating from this place over the past 4.5 years on my own personal journey to growth and being the man that I want to be. So if you are wanting to talk to somebody about increasing your confidence, increasing the intimacy in your relationship, rebuilding trust with your wife, message me, contact me. Go to happymancoaching.com and fill out the contact form. Just click contact at the top of the page, fill out the form. We'll set up a time to talk, and then we'll get you set. All right, brother. Thanks for being here. I will talk to you later.